It all started when I caught my cat painting. Yes, painting. She had a brush in her mouth, drawing a glowing picture of me finding a giant cake. Minutes later, I opened the fridge, and there it was. The next day, she drew me floating away with a giant balloon. And guess what? A balloon shop's display broke loose, and I was holding on for dear life. Sometimes her drawings help, like when she sketched me rescuing a lost puppy, and it actually happened. But one picture scared me. It showed a robot chasing me. I hid, and somehow, it never happened. Now, we paint together every day, but I never know if her next masterpiece will bring cake or chaos.